Hey guys, welcome to ID 5030. I just wanted to mention that for the Canvas class, your only work this week is to get the course set up. Just get a shell set up. You don't have to have anything in it. Just make sure the course is named, that it has your name in the title of the course, and make sure that you invite everyone else in the class and me. And the way that you will know that you're complete is that if you invite me, I will get that invitation, I will accept it, and then I will know to go and update the grade for the link. So that's how that works. If you think that you've sent me an invitation but you haven't seen an update to your grade, let me know. Let's figure out what went wrong. And just as far as the project goes, you're going to be able to build the class for whatever you want. I encourage you to keep the scope small. That will help because you want to focus on the mechanics that we're going to cover, and having a small scope will allow you to do that. But choose something that's meaningful. Choose something that maybe you're working on for work, or something that's a pet project for you at home, just something that you enjoy the content so that you can enjoy each stage in the project. So again, the work this week is really just getting that link set up, getting your shell set up, and inviting others. That's all you have to do. If you have questions, please let me know right away. And I look forward to a really great term with you guys.